English learners often enjoy studying surprising, fascinating topics, and few subjects capture global curiosity as much as the world's most expensive objects. These extraordinary items come from different fields: art, technology, transportation, jewelry, fashion, and even everyday objects transformed into luxury pieces. Exploring them helps you improve vocabulary, learn descriptive language, and understand how value is created in modern society. One of the most famous examples is Leonardo da Vinci's painting Salvator Mundi, which sold for over $450 million. Its value comes from artistic genius, historical significance, and rarity. When English speakers describe such items, they use phrases like record-breaking sale, one-of-a-kind masterpiece, or unmatched artistic heritage. These expressions make your language richer and more natural. Another high-value category is jewelry. The pink star diamond, weighing almost 60 carats, sold for more than $70 million. Its color, clarity, and size make it one of the rarest gems in history. In English, you might hear descriptions such as flawless clarity, magnificent sparkle, and exceptional craftsmanship, all of which communicate luxury and exclusivity. Even everyday items can reach astonishing prices when crafted from rare materials. A luxury handbag like the Hermès Himalaya Birkin can cost more than many houses. The value is tied to hand stitching, rare leather, and the brand's global reputation. This teaches phrases like limited edition, meticulous design, and prestige symbol, which are common in fashion and marketing English. These examples show how value is shaped by rarity, quality, heritage, and global demand. Learning these expressions helps you speak more fluently about culture, money, and luxury markets. Some of the world's most expensive objects are technological breakthroughs. The International Space Station is often described as the most expensive structure ever built, costing well over $100 billion. It represents scientific cooperation and engineering excellence. English learners can practice terms like collaborative mission, advanced research facility, orbiting laboratory, and international partnership. Luxury cars also appear on global lists. Brands such as Bugatti, Rolls-Royce, and Pagani create limited production hypercars that cost millions. These vehicles are valued for speed, design, and craftsmanship. When English speakers talk about them, they use phrases like precision engineering, hand-built performance, and a blend of power and elegance. Learning these expressions helps you talk about modern engineering and high-end technology. Collectors also drive up the price of rare objects. A baseball card can sell for several $1 million because it is part of cultural history. A vintage comic book or a first edition novel can reach enormous value due to scarcity. These examples help you learn vocabulary like collectible market, historical significance, mint condition, and auction record. Another surprising category includes rare alcoholic beverages. A single bottle of whiskey or wine can sell for hundreds of thousands of dollars when it comes from a legendary batch or a disappearing distillery. English phrases used include limited release, aged to perfection, and high-value vintage. Across all these objects, one idea keeps appearing: the combination of rarity and demand. Understanding this concept helps you describe value in English clearly and confidently. The world's most expensive objects reveal how people assign meaning to material things. Sometimes the value comes from beauty, sometimes from innovation, and sometimes simply from history. When English learners study these examples, they gain more than vocabulary. They also develop cultural awareness. Luxury real estate is another demonstration of extreme value. A penthouse in a major city can cost hundreds of millions of dollars because of location, architecture, and prestige. Describing such properties teaches terms like prime location, architectural landmark, and exclusive amenities. These expressions are useful in business English, travel English, and real estate conversations. Fashion and design also produce record-breaking objects. A gown worn by a Hollywood legend or a pair of shoes encrusted with diamonds can become the centerpiece of a major auction. These examples help you understand expressions like custom-made, red carpet item, and high fashion statement. Beyond luxury, some of the most expensive items serve scientific or humanitarian purposes. Supercomputers, medical machines, and advanced research devices cost millions, yet they contribute to human progress. English used in these fields includes cutting-edge innovation, life-saving technology, and global advancement. This helps learners speak about science and society in a more precise way. Understanding these objects ultimately helps learners express comparison, describe value, and discuss global culture. When you explore why something becomes expensive, you practice vocabulary related to economics, design, art, and technology. It improves comprehension, builds confidence, and exposes you to real English used in international media.